Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video we are cooking delicious oha soup. Meanwhile, if today is your first time on my channel, a warm welcome to you all. Okay, so keep watching and see how I prepare this yummy soup. Now let's get cooking. For the ingredients, I have palm fruit concentrate, beef meat, cow foot, shake, 2 pomo, 2 stockfish, 1 big dry fish. I will also be using yellow habanero pepper. And here I have Oyibo. You cannot cook this soup without this Oyibo. I have salt, seasoning cube, crayfish, 1 onion to cook the meat. I also have uziza leaf, fresh uziza leaf, can you see? And here we have the main ingredient, which is oha. Can you see how fresh the oha is? I will start by adding the meat in a clean pot. I will add the shake, the 2 stockfish, and the cow skin. To season, I will add salt and 1 Knorr seasoning cube. I will add half chopped onion. I will add water and cover the pot and start cooking until they are soft. Sorry, I forgot to show you the thickness. So I'm using cocoyam. So in another clean pot, I will add the cocoyam, add water, and start cooking it until they are soft. Okay, the cocoyam has been cooking for some minutes. I will now check and see if they are ready. You can see they are now soft, so they are ready. I will keep them aside. Okay, I will show you how I prepare the oha for the soup. So I will pick it and cut it. So with the help of my fingertips, I will cut it just this way. Just like this. And I will repeat the same process till I'm done. Now I will dissolve the palm fruit concentrate with hot water. So I will mix it well, after which I will keep it aside. So here I have the cocoyam, our thickener. So I will be blending it with the blender. I added a little water. And I will cover and blend till smooth. After blending, this is what it looks like. I will keep it aside for later use. So back to the meat. Has been cooking for a while and they are almost done. I will add the dry clean fish, the crayfish, and the habanero pepper. So at this point, I will add the palm fruit concentrate. I will cover and allow it to boil. So it has been boiling for 10 minutes. I will now add in our thickener. Cover again and allow them to dissolve. You can see the thickeners have already dissolved. And this is the perfect consistency that I'm going for. Not very thick and not very light. Remember, when this soup goes down, it will be thicker. So let me know in the comment section, how do you like your oha soup? Okay, I will now add in half of Knorr seasoning cube, salt to taste, and now goes in the Ogbono. This Ogbono will take this our oha soup to another level. Yeah, it gives oha soup a very nice taste and aroma. I will mix everything together. I will taste for seasoning and salt, and everything was perfect. I now added the uziza leaves. I will stir everything. So lastly goes in the fresh oha leaves. I will mix everything together to combine. And this soup tasted so delicious. So let me know in the comment section which swallow do you like to enjoy your oha soup. I enjoyed mine with pounded yam. So I will cover in less than few minutes. Our soup is ready. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Subscription is free, okay? Just hit that red place that says subscribe, okay? And you know you can always share my video to your family and loved ones. Until we see you next time, bye bye and remain blessed.